How to report a late delivery on Grubhub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to report a late delivery on Grubhub using the mobile app. So if your food didn't arrive on time, here is what to do to get help or a refund. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the order section. Now here you can scroll through the orders that arrived late, and here once you have selected the order that arrived late, you can simply scroll down again and tap on help or report an issue, and this will bring up a list of common problems. So from there you can simply tap on order arrived late, and after that you may be asked a few questions or given options to chat with support. And here Grubhub may offer a partial refund, promo code, or direct support depending on how late the delivery was. So you just need to follow the prompts and submit the report, and that's it. That's how you can report a late delivery on Grubhub. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.